Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to edit the payments method on Thumbtack account. If you want to edit the payments method on Thumbtack account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to edit the payment method on Thumbtack, you just need to watch this video till the very end. So let's get started. For those of you who don't know what an Thumbtack is an American home service website and app that allows users to search for the rate and hire local service providers that are in the area. Now to edit the payment method, open the Thumbtack app on a device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, then you won't be able to edit the payment method, so make sure that you are logged in. So this is the home page of Thumbtack, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the profile icon at the very top right. Now to edit the payment method, you just need to tap on the profile icon, and here you'll see the option of account, notifications, help, privacy policy, and all of it. So click on the option of account, and here you'll see the option of edit payment method. So click on the option of edit payment method, and so currently I have not added any kind of card and I won't be able to see the card right here. So if you have added the card, then you'll see the cards right here, and you may click on the option of edit and you'll see the option of remove, and you may simply remove the payment method from there. And if you want to add a new card, then you will see the option of add a card. So click on the option of add a card, and from here you need to enter your card details like the card number, the month and the year which it expired, and the CVC and the postal code of the card. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to add the payment method on your Thumbtack account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.